Are you tired of watching your money sit idle while opportunities pass you by? It's time to take control and unleash the power of making your money work for you. Imagine a future where your money doesn't just exist. It thrives, grows, and multiplies, paving the way of financial freedom and prosperity. The key? Making smart investments that work for you. Join me as I share secrets to unlocking wealth building and financial empowerment. You will learn how to harness the potential of your money and watch it grow exponentially. It's time for you to disrupt the status quo, break free from financial limitations, and seize the opportunities that transform your money from passive to powerful. Get ready to make your money work harder than ever before. So here are great ways you can apply to unlock the power of investing and smart financial decisions. The first step all of us need to do is you first begin by defining your financial goals. One can't, out of the blue, make their money work for them. You must first begin by defining your financial goals, whether it is saving for retirement, buying your first home, starting a business, or achieving financial freedom. Clarity in goals sets the stage for successful money management. When you know what you want to achieve financially, then you start making smart money choices that ultimately help you break free from trading your time for money, letting your hard-earned money start giving you returns passively without you having to be present physically. The secret to this is setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals to guide your financial journey and measure progress along the way. I love this quote by Brian Tracy. If you have a clear goal and a plan to achieve it, your focus is fixed on set course of action. Instead of becoming sidetracked by distractions or diversions, your time is focused on a straight line from start to finish. Next, one needs to build a strong financial foundation. Like anything else that weathers time, it is built on a strong foundation. This also applies to finances. Strengthen your financial foundation by creating a budget that aligns with your goals and helps you track your income, expenses, and your saving. Budgeting is the bedrock of financial health. In most of my videos, I have emphasized the importance of setting up a monthly budget. A budget is not just a collection of numbers, but an expression of our values and aspirations. This quote is by Jack Lay, an American attorney. Also, part of building a strong financial foundation is to establish an emergency fund. In today's unpredictable world, having an emergency fund is more essential than ever. It provides a safety net during unexpected events and gives you peace of mind knowing that you're financially prepared. An emergency fund is a stash of money that you can set aside to cover financial surprises such as unexpected medical expenses, car repairs, and job loss. It is a financial cushion in times of need. Setting up an emergency fund is a crucial step towards financial stability. Here are key steps on how you can establish and maintain an emergency fund. 1. Determine your saving goals. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Calculate your monthly expenses, including your rent, mortgages, utilities, groceries, and insurance. 2. Open a separate account for your emergency fund. Having a designated account will prevent you from dipping into funds for non-emergencies. 3. Maximize your savings with a high-yield saving account. Look for an account that offers competitive interest rates to help your emergency fund grow over time. Last but not least, 4. Set up automatic contributions. Schedule regular transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund account to ensure consistent savings. After you have set up an emergency fund, you need to implement the following to make your money work hard for you. You should consider diving into the world of investing. If you are a person looking for financial stability, investing offers a powerful opportunity to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. Instead of working for money, let your money work for you through strategic investments. Many people think of investing as a complex and daunting task, but in reality, it is a crucial step towards building long-term wealth and financial independence. Investing allows your money to grow over time, generating returns and increasing your net worth. By harnessing the power of compounding interest, you can accelerate your growth of wealth. To begin your investment journey, it is essential to understand your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and time horizon. Working with a financial advisor can help create a personalized investment plan tailored to your needs. Diversification is a key to successful investing. Spread your investment across various asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds to minimize risk and optimize returns. Regularly monitor and review your investment portfolio to ensure it still aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Stay informed about what is happening in the market and adjust your investment accordingly. Investing is not just about generating wealth, it's about securing your financial future and achieving your goals. Take control of your finances today and let your money work hard for you. The following concept is one few people know, and yet it can be applied to anyone who wants to make their money work for them. This is harnessing the power of compounding. You can unlock the power of compounding by reinvesting your investment's earnings to generate exponential growth over time. Patience and consistency in investing are the building blocks of wealth creation. When you start on your investment journey, you can sit back and watch your wealth snowball as compounding multiplies your money and accelerates your journey towards financial prosperity. Start early. Some people think investing is for the old. The earlier you start, the better it is. But remember, stay committed and let time work its miracles. Of course, on the path to financial freedom, you should always remember to seek expert guidance and continuous learning. Leverage the expertise of financial advisors and experts to navigate the complexities of investing and wealth management. Seek professional guidance tailored to your financial needs and aspirations. Embrace the mindset of lifelong learning and stay informed about market trends, investment strategies, and financial planning best practices. Knowledge is the compass that guides your financial decisions. Now, to conclude, you should empower yourself to make your money work for you and pave the way to financial freedom. Your financial journey is a reflection of your choices and commitment to a brighter, wealthier future. But it all starts in the mind. Start today and take control of your financial destiny. Let your money be the catalyst of abundance, security, and fulfillment. The path to prosperity begins with you, not anyone else, but you who is watching me now. If you have watched up to this point, you are the real deal. Leave a comment below on ways you are making your money work for you. If you got any value in this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. Remember also to share this video with the other people. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.